Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Nextlink Internet is carving a niche for itself in the ever-evolving world of internet service providers. Their focus lies in delivering high-speed, reliable broadband connectivity to underserved and often overlooked rural communities across the United States. Utilizing advanced fixed wireless technology, Nextlink bypasses the limitations of traditional cable and fiber optic infrastructure, bringing the power of the internet to areas that have long struggled with limited or non-existent options. This innovative approach allows Nextlink to bridge the digital divide and empower residents and businesses in these communities with the connectivity they need to thrive in the 21st century. Whether it's for education, remote work, telehealth, or simply staying connected with loved ones, Nextlink aims to provide a consistent and robust online experience. Their commitment extends beyond just offering service. They strive to build lasting relationships with the communities they serve, understanding the unique needs and challenges faced by rural customers. Nextlink's dedication to customer satisfaction is evident in their responsive customer support and their efforts to offer flexible and affordable plans. They understand that access to the internet is no longer a luxury, but a necessity, and they work diligently to ensure that their services are accessible to everyone. By leveraging the power of fixed wireless, Nextlink is not only delivering internet access but also fostering economic growth and opportunity in rural America. This technology allows for rapid deployment and scalability, enabling Nextlink to expand its coverage area and connect more homes and businesses quickly and efficiently. Their ongoing investment in infrastructure and technology demonstrates their long-term commitment to providing cutting-edge internet solutions to the communities they serve. Nextlink Internet is more than just an internet provider, they're a partner in progress, working to empower rural communities with the connectivity they need to succeed in an increasingly digital world. They believe that everyone deserves access to reliable high-speed internet, regardless of their location, and they are actively working to make that belief a reality. So, if you're in a rural area and seeking a dependable internet solution, exploring Nextlink Internet might be the right step towards connecting with the world. They invite you to check out their website, nextlinkinternet.com, for more information on availability and plans.